Hey YouTube, my camera's a little bit slow, so if I don't start talking for like the first 3 seconds or something, then yeah, it's my camera because it doesn't come on the screen for a couple of seconds. But this is my other butterfly knife, or it should be, because it's the same kind of package. So this is the other one that I ordered. I didn't like the one that I got. The screw, or the latch was loose, and it came off at one point, so I had to fix that up. I had to take it apart a little bit and tighten it up so it wouldn't come off anymore. But I ordered this one. This one is aluminum. I actually ordered this Monday, and it's Friday, and I finally got it. So I don't have school today. I don't know why, but we got off early yesterday. So I'm gonna open this package. I already got my knife here. So here we go. Oh, and I haven't been using my other butterfly knife since I don't like it, and I'm selling it to a friend. Yeah. Let's see here. Oh, come on. This one's different than the one I got. They're doing a little Halloween special, I think. So most of this is, there's the Predator, and there's Pandora, which is Avatar. So they have some Avatar stuff. These are actually throwing they're throwing stars, but they're throwing cards, so like metal. And there's stuff from Avatar, some pretty cool throwing knives right there, and a machete over here. Some other stuff. There's Wolverine right there. Pretty nice swords. Cane sword right there in the middle. Grim Reaper. Oh, middle. There's the Grim Reaper one. Come on. There's the Joker. Yeah, this stuff's pretty cool. Some little assisted stiletto knives. Pretty cool stuff on here. Anyways, there's another discount. $5. It's the same thing. BOL 5 bill. Okay. Oh, time to. Oh, there's something else in here. There's a knife in there. I think it is. And there's nothing else in there, just like last time. Folding knife. Just in case you can't read upside down, I can. So, yeah. It's weird the other one didn't come like this. It's got a nice weight to it though. Might need to solder. Yes, that's pretty thin though. Let's see here. That's nice. I wasn't expecting there to be that much red on it. Wow. That looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Latch comes off easily. That's pretty cool. Nice blade too, nice and shiny. It's stainless steel. Put a little stain on it right there. There you go. Stainless steel. Looks pretty nice. I like it. Blade's not too sharp. It's not as sharp as the other one. There's no point on that really. Yeah, I wouldn't be afraid about this hitting me. Yeah, that needs to be sharpened actually. Cause I'm sitting there. Yeah. There's nothing to it. I'll probably sharpen this later on. Yeah, I'm not afraid to do that. That did not hurt. There's no blood, nothing. Alright, well, I'll probably sharpen this. Actually, yeah, I need to find an O-ring now. Look at that. It's already loose. It just comes off. I'll fix that later on. But no problem. And then I'll fix that also. Alright, well, that's it. I only know two tricks with the butterfly knife. Let's see. And I'm right-handed, so first one is you drop it and you bring it up and you catch it like that. That's one of them. See. Hold on. Okay, you grab it, 2 fingers, flip it up, catch it like that. Yeah, okay, well, here's the next one. Where's it come out? There we go. No, messed up on it. I like this one better. It has more weight to it. Better knife. Well, not a better knife. I don't know. But yeah, there it is again. Very nice. It's called a red crackle or red cackle. I'm not sure which, but it's pretty nice. I like it. It flows smoothly, not like the other one. The other one has like no weight to it because it's like half of it's plastic or whatever. But yeah, well, that's it. Guess I'll see you guys, or you'll see my video later. Next video. So, Bearded Dragon's been doing good, so that's, yeah, nothing wrong with him. Yeah. Just like hanging out. He's more active than he used to be, so. There's my snacks in the drawer. Got my RC 24 pack, because I'm a cool kid. Laptop, all this other stuff. So, my room's a little bit cleaner than it was last time. And now I have TV in my room, direct TV. Because I am a cool kid.
Broad Street, Michigan Avenue.
Big Bang Theory, which my grandpa watched. Alright, well that's it. Later, YouTube.